Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately after cleansing and light hydration so product sits smoothly. Once done, shake the tinted moisturizer to mix pigments. You need 1-2 pumps. You'll dot small amounts across forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin to control coverage. Use reason: less is easier to build. You want even placement rather than one heavy blob because the formula blends best from the center outward and prevents streaks as you move to blending. You choose your tool: fingers for warmth and sheerness, a damp sponge for skin-like finish, or a dense brush for more coverage. Press and bounce rather than drag. Once you've blended the first thin layer, add small extra dots to areas needing coverage and blend. This avoids cakiness. Make sure to blend down the jawline and into the neck to match tones. If you need extra concealing, apply a lightweight concealer only where necessary and reblend edges gradually. You finish by setting oily zones with a light translucent powder and by applying SPF if your tinted moisturizer lacks sun protection. Pat, don't rub. For longevity, a mist can lock everything in without mattifying too strongly. If you notice patchiness or streaks, don't panic. Remove excess with a clean, damp sponge and reapply a thin layer, working from the center outward. Make sure to rehydrate flaky areas beforehand to prevent the formula.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.